Welcome to this video on working with attachments in Microsoft Outlook. So I'm on Microsoft Outlook Online just to make sure that it's really clear in case you're not seeing the same functionality. And do be aware, even if you are using Outlook Online, sometimes you don't see that because your version might not have updated, or you might actually have a newer version than me and mine might not have updated. But there's a couple of bits of functionality I wanted to just show, and the Outlook Online version for me allows me to show this really nicely, and it's working with attachments. So we all know there's a number of different ways you can attach something to an email. You can drag it in, you can use the attachments drop down, which is in the bar at the top. And you'll see on there's actually a lot of different options there to play around with. But two really useful ones that I just wanted to explain in this video is actually you can start typing in by using a slash. So when you put a slash in, a forward slash in your email body, it will immediately try and find any attachments that you might, any documents that you might have used recently, so that you can just add them to your email straight away. And it will add them there really nicely. As a link, it might take a few moments just to pop up, just depending on your network connection. Now, once it's on there, if you right click, you'll see you've got the option to make some changes because it's added a link in there. It's not added the attachment as a separate document. And sometimes you might want to just really clarify what that user can do. They might not have the right access if they haven't done that any previously, if they haven't had that document, and you might want them to only view or not be able to download. So right clicking once you've added it in there does allow you to just change that functionality. If I click on that top option, you'll see it will open up and it will give me that normal box that you'll get if you're going from OneDrive or anything else, or sharing a link from Teams, and you get to change where you want this to go, who can have this access, and what they can do with that access. So you'll have some options at the top. Now, again, if you're using a work device to do this, you might have limited options dependent on the admin settings of your business. But you'll see some options at the top, and then you'll see more settings. You've got the edit option, the view, and the can't download but can view. So you can be very specific about how you share your content, even though you're very quickly adding it using that forward slash. So really, really nice way of working there. If I right click, you'll also see a few different options. You can attach it as a copy. So even though I've got it there as a link, you can change that again if you want to. And you can see the full URL, you can edit the hyperlink, you can copy it. So you've got a ton of really nice bits of functionality there to work with. So use whatever works best for you, but remember to put that slash in first and then select it from the list, and then you can go in and manage it, which is really great. So you're not having to go and find that document in its place and then get a copy link and then change it and then pull it in by pasting it. You can do it all in Outlook, which is really, really useful. The other option I just wanted to show you nice and quickly is if you ever drag and drop any attachments into your email bodies, you may notice there's a slight difference. I'm just going to pull in an image that I've got, and if I look to drop that, you'll see I've got the option to upload to OneDrive and share the link, or I can attach the file as a normal attachment. So again, I can choose how I want to share this with the users. Do I want to share a copy and attach it, or do I want to upload it to OneDrive and then be able to collaborate with other users going forward with that link? I'm going to drop it and share it to OneDrive, so it will create that process for me really nicely. I'll just get rid of those pop-up boxes, and again, if I right click, you'll see that same, I just get another pop-up box. When I right click, you'll see that same options to change that link and all of that great stuff. So you've got a few really nice quick options to help you upload your attachments and manage the visibility, the security, the downloadability of those, and decide how you want to share content with other people by email. And there's some really nice bits of functionality there, either by just using the slash and finding that document, or dragging and dropping and then choosing the option which works best for you. Just remember, if you have a link in there, if you right click on it, you can change the settings of that link to enable whoever you're sending it to have the access that you want them to. So one to play around with. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.